Hi, my name is Bob Lindy. I'm an acupuncturist and herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use sweet oil to help with ear pain. So basically we need two ingredients. We need some extra virgin olive oil, ideally it's cold pressed. We need a bowl that we can gently warm, and we don't have to have an eardropper, but it's certainly more convenient in order to get the olive oil, or sweet oil as it's oftentimes referred to, into the ear. What's important is not to heat it up too much. If we overheat it, it will cause the oil to no longer have its medicinal properties, as well as certainly if we put hot oil into someone's ear and scald them, they won't be very happy. So sweet oil, or olive oil as it's referred to more commonly, can just be placed into a non-reactive pan, heated gently. Make sure that you can at any time put your finger in there, and I honestly would not heat it up for more than a few minutes. If you really want to enhance the effect of that, we can add things like garlic, we can add mullein flowers, or we can use St. John's wort flowers and add all three of those into your sweet oil or into your olive oil to enhance the effects if there is nerve pain, inflammation, or an external ear infection. Once we do that, and the oil is very comfortable to touch, it's not too hot, we put a few drops into the eyedropper and place those gently into the ear. Be sure not to put the eyedropper too far into the ear so we don't risk puncturing any eardrums. And also it's a good idea not to share eyedroppers, because the last person who used that eyedropper might have some infection that's still present on the eyedropper. So once we have our ingredients together, we go ahead and pour a little bit of our sweet oil or olive oil into the pan, warm it gently. Once it's cool to the touch, we get our eyedropper and place a few drops into the ear. We can retain that overnight or as long as we're able to that's comfortable. It can very quickly and comfortably soothe some sore, achy ears or the beginnings of an ear infection either. So, something that you have in your kitchen that is a great medicinal herb with a long history of the medicinal properties of olive oil, also known as sweet oil. So enjoy your herbs.